Hello and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. My name is Alek and in this video I will show you how to wrap text around an image in WordPress inside the Gutenberg Editor. I have a simple post with some dummy text and I will now add an image from my media library to show you how to wrap the text around it. To do that, I will hover my mouse over any space between these paragraphs and click this plus sign to add an image block. I will select Media Library and choose this image for demonstration purposes. When inserted, the image will be selected and there will be two handles on the right and at the bottom. No matter which one you choose, click on it and drag it left or up to make the image smaller. Next, click this alignment icon to align it to the left or to the right. I will select Align Left. When the text is aligned, I will drag this image to adjust its size to the text on the right. Unfortunately, inside the Gutenberg Editor, there is no option to adjust the margins and padding. Once your image is adjusted to the text around it, you can align it to the right or move it up and down within your text until you decide on its final placement. If at any time you decide to replace it with another image, click this option where it says Replace to replace it from another image from your media library or to upload it from your PC. Last but not least, when it's selected, you can change its aspect ratio on the right and choose the one you like the most, with or without additional adjustments. And that would be all I have for you in this tutorial. Now you know how to wrap text around images in WordPress. If you think that this tutorial was worth watching and it answered your question, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more WordPress tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.